Hi everybody, my name is Phil Farris and I'm a product development scientist here at Solopoxy. I've been doing the Dream It Do It 500 for about 5 years now, aside from the few years we haven't been together. I know you're doing the 500 in schools individually this year, so I wanted to share some tips with you about building your car and some things you can watch out for. Two things I'm going to talk about. One is the placement of the wheels. Here's a simple little car, it's got 4 wheels on it. You want to make sure the wheels are straight. You want your car to go in a straight line. It's measured for distance as well as speed. So if your wheels are straight, you have a better chance of going a further distance, and it'll also keep you between the lines. You want to make sure they spin freely. This wheel spins pretty well. If the wheel doesn't spin very well, that means there's something's rubbing on the wheel, creating friction. Friction is a force that's going to slow down your car and make it go slower, in addition to making it not go as fast. So you want to make sure that they spin freely. You also want to make sure that they're straight. If your wheels aren't straight, one wheel is going to be pushing one way, another wheel could be pushing another. That's a different way that friction can be created. Again, reducing your speed and reducing your distance the car can go. Good luck. Hope you have a great race.